Welcome to Uptech Inga and Micro Fly High program for the Cisco Meraki 360. My name is Mandur Sharaf. I am the Cisco Solution Architect for UAE and Ghana. Today, we wanted to give you an overview about the 100% cloud management networking solution from Cisco as a Cisco Meraki. So, Cisco has acquired Meraki from 5 years ago after their achievement to providing a full stacking. Right now, our data center helping and supporting more than 3 million devices worldwide. The main benefits from the Cisco Meraki more than any other vendor that we providing a full stacking, including Cisco wireless and Cisco appliances and switches, to providing the latest AC technology and with the latest next generation firewall, plus a lot of flavors on the Cisco switches of layer 2 or layer 3, and plus the aggregation layer switches. And with a cloud-based MDM solutions, we can guarantee 100% of all management for all of devices, which will be connected to our wired or wireless network. And as there's a lot feedback from the Cisco Meraki, we will stop the Meraki communication as a cloud-based as long as Cisco already have their cloud collaboration cloud-based after the merge between the Cisco WebEx and Cisco Spark. And finally, for the Cisco security camera, we have multiple flavors for the indoors access points, which already have a built-in house disk to store and archive all of the high definition value of the video. The main benefits when we are speaking about the Meraki as a cloud architecture, we are speaking about a centralized web browser management for all of branches, plus for all of the network components, without anything on-prem to be installed, and this is one of the greatest. So what we can see, there is no CLI, there is no concept to be connected to the router. Each device will be connected over SSL VPN directly to the internet, and it requires around 1 kilobit per second only to download the configuration and providing the specs. There is no limitation for the number of devices to be managed or number of branches to be assigned for the users. And our data center is multiple and redundancy worldwide provided 100% SLA with a fully HD HIPAA and DTI compliance level 1 certified. Plus we are pushing the automatic firmware update and security updates for all of the network components, which will be registered and subscribed over Meraki. And the user have the capability to identify a time to push and deploy the requirements. The dashboard organization instructions, we will have the account number, which will be associated with the company email, and then we will have the organization, and we will assign the licensing on it. The licensing is very easy right now. When you are placing an order, you will just receive the contract number, you will associate the contract number on the dashboard, and immediately all of the serial number of the hardware and the subscription, it will be assigned to the organization. Under the organization, you have the capability to deploy multiple sites as there's a customer needs, and each site it will have a combined network component, including Wi-Fi, switches, and firewall. So let's go and jump to the dashboard. Hello guys, welcome to the Meraki 360 dashboard overview. So the last update from the dashboard, when you are looking for the first time, you can see here the last update about any notification about any security update has been coming or any maintenance of the website. On the right hand side, you can find here the tab and search You can search on all of your network or on your devices by name or by IP addresses or by locations. And here on the left-hand side, you will have here your network. You can find a lot of branches. It's already available. You can just check it. Which one of them is already, as we mentioned before. After that, you will find all of the network selected, and then the appliances. Each one, you will have two menus. You have the monitoring menus, so giving you an overview about the processing, and the configuration to guide you about the GI to be configured the devices for your networking by a device. And finally, you will find here the organization. From the organization, you will have the capability to overview all of your network, check the firmware upgrades and schedule a meeting, schedule the firmware upgrade, the VPN status. Also, you have the capability here to, for the administrator, as we mentioned before, the main organization administrator can assign or create a network administrator and then assign each network administrator to some devices or some branches to have them administration rights. And from the license information here, you can find all of the serial number of the active hardware and subscriptions, and you can add more contract number for the new order immediately. So let's go here for the wireless. I want to just check with you, to list with you right now all of the access points in my network. So I will just go to wireless monitor access point, okay, and then click. It will take a couple of seconds, and immediately it will list all of the access points with the list and also showing me the status of them. If it's already up and running, so it will be in the green. Okay. If I wanted to make a configuration with a new SSID, I can just select the SSID. Here I can find or add a new SSID immediately without, I can see here there's an IS SSID and there's the guest SSID. If I wanted to configure the access or the splash page, the landing page, I can here have the capability. So let's see, from the guest, I just go to explore to edit the setting of the guest SSID. Here I can define the network access. I can provide with a pre-shared key with an encryption of WAC2, or can I just only allow a list of MAC addresses. And for the splash page, I have the capability to be authenticated with Meraki or with IS or even with Facebook Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is all, even my NDAP to use the same username and password from the company. I hope this is giving you an overview about the Meraki dashboard. Let's go and